Hi guys! Today you're going to practice evaluating expressions using substitution. Let's take a look at a couple examples. Evaluate the following expression when m equals -3 and g equals 14. What I can see is an expression below, mg plus the absolute value of m, where all I have are variables. However, in the information I was given, it tells me what those variables are worth. So what I want to do is go back through my expression and plug in those numbers for the variables. Instead of m, I'm going to put a -3 inside parentheses. The reason I do that is just to stay organized. I'm also going to put g inside parentheses, and I'm going to leave them squished together, because remember, squished together in math means multiply. I'm going to bring down my addition sign, and then this says I want the absolute value of m, so I'm going to redraw my absolute value symbols and put in the value of m. Now what you should remember is that absolute value just means a number's distance from 0. It's always a positive value. So -3 is 3 steps from 0, so the absolute value of -3 is just 3. Now I can rewrite this expression, -3 times 14 plus 3. Follow order of operations. -3 times 14. Well, a negative times a positive is a negative, and over here I'm going to work out 14 times 3. That's 42, so I have -42. Bring down what I haven't used yet, plus 3. -42 plus 3. If the signs are different, find the difference. This gives me -39. So the value of mg plus the absolute value of m was -39. Let's take a look at one more. Evaluate the following expression when w equals -32 and p equals -6. Same thing, I have an expression that only has variables, so I want to go through and plug in the values that I was given for each variable. Instead of p squared, I'm going to write -6 squared, because p equals -6. Minus, instead of w, I need to enter -32. Doesn't matter if you use the parentheses, but for me it helps me keep organized, so I know that I get these right every time. Now I can follow order of operations. I see an exponent, which means that needs to come first. -6 times -6 is 36. Minus -32, the rule is keep, change, change, so I'm actually adding a positive 32. 36 plus 32 is 68. Your turn to practice.